What's going on, fellas? Welcome back. Today's video will be episode 6 of price action videos we have seen so far. So yesterday we have seen dead cat pattern and Fibonacci retracement. We have tried to integrate our Fibonacci retracement strategy with dead cat and other strategies. So I've shown you how to use those strategies with the basic things, you know, like support and resistance and also trend line. So today we will see the real-time examples of those strategies, not only dead cat and Fibonacci. Every strategy so far we have seen, we are going to discuss today. So this is for our Boom 500 chart, and we have stopped trading since December 12. So I wasn't uploading any kind of analysis or signal on both VIP and free channel. So I will show you what happened after December 12, and of course to see that we have to focus on what happened before December 12, because we need to figure out where market reversed and the confluence points, support and resistance, and of course trend lines. So here, as you see, this one is 4-hour time frame. Always go to higher time frames to spot very important points like reversal points, support and resistance. So here I see a reversal here. It's kind of swing high for the market, which was before December 12. Then we have another point here and another point here. I am going to focus on these 3 points only because I can connect these three points. I can draw a trend line on them. Some of you may say, what about this point? I'm going to ignore this point because it's below these 3 level. If I want to draw a trend line on those 3 lines, it's super easy for me because you can easily connect them together like this. This trend line can connect these 3 points together easily. If you try to connect this point, it's lower than the other 3, so you have to ignore that point. It's not that important right now. So we connect these 3 market reversal points like this. That means we have 3 confirmed points. Whenever market reaches that area, there will be a confluence or a tension. That means either the market will break that point or will bounce up from that area because there will be pressure at that level. So we have now a trend line. We drew a trend line like this. Then next we can also draw a trend line on the lower part because we have a swing low here at this level. This is the lowest point, and again we have another low, but it's higher low. It's low but which is higher than the previous low, so that means we can connect. Of course we have another higher low here, so we have 3 points together, so we can draw a trend line like this, connecting 3 points together. That means we have a valid trend line like this. So if you go to lower time frame, so let's go to 1 hour time frame and let's zoom out. So if you see on 1 hour time frame, we have a perfect reversal at this trend point, and we have multiple rejections of course at this trend line, and again another rejection or market reversal here at the 3rd point on the trend line. And on the lower trend line also we have 3 points together connected here, 1, 2 and 3. Of course at this 2nd point we have multiple rejections. That makes the line a valid and very strong point. So this trend line can be very strong. It can hold the price for a long time because it has been rejected many times. Here rejected 3 times, then again rejected here. So whenever price comes back to that area, you have to target that area because it's a valid support. So now we drew these trend lines in the upper and lower side. Then we wait for the market to break out of that trend line. So if the market decides to break this trend, that means the market has momentum to go up, because in the previous points it has tested the trend line 3 times, here, here and here. But on those 3 points there was no momentum, no strong force in the market. That means the market was bearish at that time. But right now, if you see here at this level, market was able to break this trend line in the upper direction in bullish way. So that means we have the first confirmation that the market is reversing its direction from bearish to bullish. So as soon as you get this signal, you wait for another confirmation. So maybe you can take a trade immediately after breakout if it has momentum. Let's say full candlesticks, like big candlestick in 1 hour or 4 hour without any kind of rejection. That may be a signal for strong bullish momentum, but I don't recommend taking position immediately after breakout. So you have to wait for the market to give you another good setup. So after this breakout, the market tried to go up, but there was a bearish momentum. Sellers are still struggling to take the market downward, because in the previous weeks, like more than 2 weeks, the market was bearish, but right now it turned into bullish. It broke the trend line. That means still there are sellers, but they are weak. They try to pull the market down, but again bullish traders came and they pushed the market upward. So at this level, if you see, we have some kind of pattern. But before considering that pattern, let's see confluence area. Here you see at this level, market was rejected many times, so we can consider this level as very crucial point. So let's just put a box at that level. Maybe if market gets rejected at that level many times, or if we see any kind of market reversal sign on this box level, that will be a good sign for us to take a trade. We can also extend our box to the left, because we have this previous point here. There was a market reversal at this level, and we have multiple rejections, and of course a market reversal at this trend line. So that means this box is valid because it's tested twice. So we put the box here, and market was able to break the box, and it came back to the box. Then there is rejection here. So market tried to break it but wasn't able to break, and it got rejected multiple times. So here we have one rejection, 2, 3, and 4 times. So immediately after the first one, I will immediately take a trade as soon as the market comes back to the box. I'll put a buy limit, or if I'm there, I will take a buy position, because this box is a valid level from previous point, and we have a trend line which was valid for long term, for more than 2 weeks. But right now the market broke that trend line. That means we have a good sign, we have a good setup, so we can take a buy position here at this level. I think someone sent me this pattern last week. I hope you took this position. So we take a buy here, and we follow the market. If we measure this point, that will be 34. Yeah, on 0.1, that's about $70, I think so. So this is first win for you. This will be win. If you see here, we have also a trend line. We can draw another trend. We have a triangle pattern here at this level. This is also another confirmation. Maybe if you missed an entry here at this bottom level of the box, maybe if you were not there, and let's say you came after the market broke this trend, this smaller triangle, that would be another opportunity for you to take a trade at this level. I will definitely take a trade immediately after this candlestick closes outside the trend, because this is a descending triangle. We have many confirmations. The first one is market broke this bigger trend line, and we have a box which was broken again, and it was tested many times. Market is telling you that I'm going to go up. I wasn't able to go down. The box is holding me. I broke the trend line, so the force is all bullish. It's telling you that. So you take that signal and you put a buy position. This will be first buy for you in this week, in last week. So after this win, let's clean our chart and let us see if we have any other opportunity. So I see the market is in clear uptrend right now. It was downtrend or bearish in the previous weeks. Here, if you see here, the market was on bearish momentum. but right now we are in a bull. So market is in bull. Now we can connect these points together and we can draw up a trend line, right? So let's draw a trend line like this. I will connect this point, this point, this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 points together. So if we connect these 4 points, that means the trend line is valid. Whenever market comes back to that area, there will be a confluence or there will be a tension at that area, so you can take advantage of this trend line. So we drew this trend line and we wait for the market to break or maybe to test. So we don't take position immediately when market comes back to the trend line. We don't just buy blindly. We need some kind of confirmation, right? But I see at this level there are multiple rejections. So here market is trying to go up, but it was not able to break this level. Here it went up and there is a big rejection. Again tried to go up, it got reversed. Again it went up and there is a big wick and it got rejected. 3 times market was rejected. So if you take this level as rejection level or maybe confluence zone, and if you see the lower point here, the lower level, we have higher points, the points which are creating high. Those points are lows, of course. Here we have low, here we have low, 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 but each of the lows are higher lows. This one is the lowest. Then again market created higher low, which is higher than this point. Then again another higher low, higher low, and higher low. This means still there are sellers, they are trying to take the market down, and there are also buyers which are weak. You see, the major trend of the market is in uptrend, right? Market is going in upward direction. Major trend is bullish. That means the bull traders were in control of the market. They were controlling the market. But right now market was not able to go up from this level. This level is acting as so whenever market tries to break this level, it gets rejected down. That means sellers are coming to the market. So we wait for the market to break this smaller trend line. Of course, okay, let's zoom out and let's see this pattern. It's perfectly ascending triangle, right? So if you connect this together, this is perfect ascending triangle. The points are ascending in the lower level, and in the upper level all points are equal. We have 3 equal points. We can take those as triple top. So there is triple top pattern, if you know. Then the market was able to break this trend and it went down to the trend line. So if you are an immediate action taker, you may take a trade here after this candlestick which opened and closed outside this trend line. So let's say you take a trade here at this level, and if you use very tight stop loss, the bad thing about taking trade exactly after breakout is it's bad for stop loss. You cannot put stop loss just anywhere. I mean, you need some level to put. If you take a trade here, you have to put your stop loss just above these rejections. That would be very far, right? So it's very far. If you measure this point, that's about, actually it's not that far. Yeah, it's only 7 points. So it's okay. Let's say you took a trade here at this level and you put your stop loss just above those rejections. Then the market tried to go up and it tested this smaller trend line, and it was able to break the major uptrend line. So we have major trend line here which is acting as a firm support for the market, which is going in upward direction, the market which is in a bull. Then finally it was not able to hold the price. So market broke this bigger trend line. Also, this is another confirmation. The first confirmation is we have a triangle here which was broken at this level. Then after this triangle which is being broken, market also broke this bigger trend line. We have 2 signals which is telling us that the market is reversing its direction, and we have also triple top pattern at this level. So right now we have solid reason to take a sell. If you need more confirmation, I can give you another. So let's draw a rectangle here at this level. At this level we have a rejection, so I'm going to consider this. We can also extend our box to the right, to the left, because we have a wick here, we have a reversal here, we have a rejection here. So 3 points market got rejected. First one here, second one here, and third one at this level. So this means this box is valid support. It's being supporting, like let's just remove this. So it supported the price 3 times in the previous times. So here it supported the price, here it supported, and third time it supported here. So that means the box is valid, it was a support. Whenever market comes back to that area, it must hold the price. If it gets broken, then it acts as resistance. Then market broke downside and tried to go up, then finally came down. That means since we have 3 other signals, that means triple bottom, triangle broken, and bigger major trend line broken, we can take a trade exactly at this level. I mean, we can use this box as an entry point for sniper entry. Just use this box for entry. Plus you can also put your stop loss just above this box, I mean midway between this upper rejection and the box. If you want to widen it, you can also put it just above this rejection. That will be safe for you. If market goes a little bit up, it may get rejected from this level here, so that may be safe area to put your stop loss. So just put it just above this rejection. So after this, immediately market gets rejected from the box and it went down. So if you measure this point, that would be a big win for you. That's about 26 points. On 0.1, about $26-25. So like this, you got 2 wins in 1 week. You got 2 wins from Boom 500. Of course, big wins, not smaller ones. If you go to lower time frames like 15 minutes or 30 minutes, there will be another opportunity, sale opportunity here also. I see a smaller trend here, then market broke, and this is also win for you from here to here, but that's very few points. So if you want to scalp, you can also go to lower time frames like 15 minutes or 30 minutes and draw patterns, wait for the market to give you good setup, take a trade. So now let's clean our chart and let us move on. Okay, now the market went down, all the way down, and I see pattern here. I see market is giving us some kind of setup right now, but it's Sunday. I don't give signal and I don't recommend trading on Sundays, of course. Just take rest, study, develop some strategies, have a plan, then start as fresh in Monday. So we have a setup here. It looks like bearish flag pattern. So the market broke this bearish flag right now, but we don't just sell because it broke this flag, because we have confluence level here. If you remember, we drew a box, right? Let's put our box back here at this level. Let's zoom out, and if you see here at the left also, we have rejection, we have rejection, we have rejection here. So right now the market is here at that level, at that same box we have used to take a buy trade before days. So right now price is at this level. I know the market broke this flag. That means there is big chance of the market to go down, but still we have this box which is holding the price right now. So maybe the price will go up and test the flag again, or maybe this is a fake breakout of the flag. So if it goes up and tests this flag, and if it comes back and breaks this box, that will be safe for you to enter. You can take a trade immediately after 1 hour time frame. Candlestick closes, or maybe opens outside and closes outside, or if you want more confirmation, wait for the market to come back to the box and test, then that will be a good sale opportunity. So we will see this tomorrow, what will happen. We don't know what the market is going to do. Maybe this is a fake breakout, or maybe we'll go down right now without any retest. So we don't know. Let's just wait for tomorrow and we will see what will happen. I hope this box will hold the market, but if it breaks down, that will be good for us to sell, because market was on uptrend here. It was going up. There was a major uptrend, but it was broken, and right now the market is in a downtrend. That means if it breaks this box level, that will be another opportunity to sell, and we can put your we can target this level, maybe TP1 here, and for long term we can also target this level as TP2. So this looks very accurate and good setup for us, but let's just wait for the market and let's see what it gives us tomorrow. So this is it. This is what happened in Boom 500 last week. So what I have decided to do this kind of short videos every day. Beside price action videos, of course, I will do price action videos every week, maybe twice a week. There will be episodes with new strategies and beefing up our trading experiences that will help. But every day in the morning, I will upload analysis on Boom 500, Boom 1000, Crash 500, Crash 1000, Volatility 75, and also some volatility assets. So I will analyze the market every morning, and there will be video in the group, and of course we will also continue chasing the market with very accurate setups and good analysis. Okay guys, see you tomorrow.